दाबोळे हांगच्या प्रभू रेसिडेन्सी कॉम्प्लेक्साच्या रहिवाशांनी पिवपाच्या उदका पुरवणेविशीं गंभीर हुस्को आशिल्ल्यान गोंय राज्य मानव अधिकार आयोगा कडेन संपर्क साधला. सुमार 180 ते 300 रहिवाशांक डायरियाचो फटको बसला. दूषित उदक आनी अनियमित पुरवण हाच्या कडेन जुलाब आनी हेर भलायकेच्या समस्यांचो संबंद आशिल्ल्याचो दुबाव आसा. परत परत कागाळ करून अधिकारी कारवाय करपाक अपेक्षीत आसल्यात असो रहिवाशांचो आरोप आसा. उदकाची योग्य चाचणी, नितळसाणीचे उपाय सुदारप आनी संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांकडल्यान जपसालदारकी मेळची अशी मागणी करून तांणी बेगोबेग हस्तक्षेप करपाची मागणी याचिकेंत केल्या. भौशीक भलायकीचेर वाडपी भंय आशिल्ल्यान आतां सुरक्षीत आनी नितळ पिवपाच्या उदकाची खात्री करपा खातीर बेगोबेग कारवाय करपाची मागणी रहिवाशी करतात. परिस्थिती गंभीर आसा आनी घडामोडींचेर बारीकसाणेन नदर दवरल्या.
My name is Pramod Patel and I am a resident of Prabhu Valeta, and related to our water utility, we have just filed the petition to the Human Rights Commission, and let's see now, we are waiting for our issues get resolved, and we are waiting so we can get our basic needs which we are asking. That's it.
So what are your demands basically
What
you
demands?
submitted in the petition?
Basically we are in crisis situation. We are not getting water. We don't have water to drink. Our STP plants are not working. Now there are water cuts. We are not getting drinking water. People are having diarrhea in the society. Now they are not getting water continuously. So many issues are there. So for that reason we have done this. So that's how we are waiting for here.